Hello listeners. Welcome back to SpeakUp, your easy learning channel. We're knowing about new government schemes in our last video. Today we'll continue it with the schemes under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. First one is second edition of Slum Daud. It is a part of the Adopt Slum Campaign initiated by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan. NYKS was established in the year 1972 with the objective of providing rural youth avenues to take part in the process of nation building, as well providing opportunities for the development of their personality and skills. NYKS was set up as an autonomous organization under the Government of India, to oversee working of these Kendras. Second one is revamped Khelo India program. This ad mainstreaming sport as a tool for individual development, community development, economic development and national development. An unprecedented pan-Indian sports scholarship scheme, which would cover 1,000 most talented young athletes each year across select sports disciplines. Each athlete selected under the scheme shall receive an annual scholarship worth 5 lakh for 8 consecutive years. This is the first time ever that a long-term athlete development pathway would be made available to talented youngsters to excel in competitive sports. This program strives to promote sports for all as well as sports for excellence. Third one is National Service Scheme. The President Shri Nath Kovind recently presented National Service Scheme Awards 2016-17. The objective of NSS Awards is to recognize and reward outstanding contributions towards voluntary community service made by the universities, senior secondary councils, NSS units, program officers and NSS volunteers. NSS is a centrally sector scheme. The scheme was launched in the year 1969 with the primary objective of developing the personality and character of the student youth through voluntary community service. The ideological orientation of the NSS is inspired by the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth one is Rashtriya Yuva Sashaktikaran Karyakram. It has been launched by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to empower the youth of the country to achieve their full potential. It is the umbrella scheme which consolidates NYKS, National Youth Corps, NYC, National Program for Youth and Adolescent Development, NPIAD, National Discipline Scheme, NDS, National Service Scheme, NSS, and National Young Leaders Program, NYLP. Fifth one is Mission 11 Million. With the vision of making football the sport of choice in India, Mission 11 Million, the biggest school sport outreach program, was launched by the government. A first of its kind, the program will encourage children to play the game of football, gain healthy habits and learn important life lessons in teamwork and sportsman spirit. The approach is to work with school principals and sports teachers and encourage and incentivize them to make children play football games on regular basis. It aims to instill the passion for football in 11 million children from every part of the country. Thank you listeners. That is all about government schemes under Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. We'll continue this with schemes under another ministry in our next video. Thank you again.